Hello friends, welcome to Suraj ke classes. Today we are going to understand the difference between these three quantities. One is power, one is voltage, and third one is current. So many people are having so many confusion between these three terms. One is voltage, another one is current, and third one is power. See, I will make it simple for you guys. See, all three quantities are actually electrical quantities, but what is the difference between these three that we are going to understand. But first of all, let me clear it for you that these three quantities these three quantities are relevant to electrical, and we cannot separate any one of these out of anyone. Like you cannot take away the current from power, you cannot take away the voltage from power, or you cannot take away the power from current and voltage. So all these three are interlinked, and how these things are interlinked, that we are going to understand. First thing is voltage. Voltage is nothing but the potential difference. If you have watched my last video, then you must be knowing what is this voltage and how you can compare this voltage to pressure, or to water pressure, or any pressure between the two terminals. How you can compare this voltage to that terminology for making it simple for you to understand. Okay, voltage nothing but the potential difference between 2 points of any live wire, or between any 2 points of any circuit. Like if I am connecting here AC supply of 230 volt 50 hertz, then this is the 230, this is nothing but the voltage that you are getting across these terminals. Like if this is phase, if this is neutral, then you are having 230 volt as a pressure between these two terminals. If you are now going to connect any load here, then this pressure would be released and you will have the flow of charges here. Flow of charges. And that flow of charges is now going to be linked with our second terminology, the second term, that is nothing but current. Current is nothing but the flow of charges in circuit. Flow of charges. This is what the current is. Now one more thing that comes to your mind. Now you very well know what is voltage, what is current. Now you may think of what is power. See, power is not actual quantity. It is actually a mathematical term which is denoted by P, and when you are finding out the value of power, that depends on the type of circuit. Like if you are calculating it for single phase circuit, then it is simply the power is simply V into I cos of phi. Now if you are calculating this phase wise, if it is for three phase circuit, then for three phase circuit it is root 3 VL IL cos of phi, or P is equal to 3 VPH IPH cos of phi. So these are the two formulas for calculating power in single phase and three phase circuits. Power is nothing but it is the mathematical term for the calculation, and see, power is how it is coming. Now let's assume this is the waveform of a voltage, and if this is the waveform of your current, then the power, that is nothing but the resultant of these two, or the multiplication of these two quantities. So this can be denoted as power. So this is nothing but the multiplication of these two quantities that I have shown you in my last formula. I hope the power term is now clear to you. The power is now clear to you. So anyone if asks you If anyone is asking you to derive the power from voltage and current, then you can easily derive, and you can easily get the power. Just you just you have to have the value of current, because voltage is constant for every circuit. Like if you are living in India, the voltage, constant voltage is 230 volt. So this is constant, but the current, that is varying quantity. So if you know the value of current of any circuit, like I'm assuming here three phase motor, usually it is having 415 volts, okay, and it is having current of let's say 1 ampere. And one more thing I think you have missed, this is cos phi and this is power factor. If you have not watched my videos like what is AC current, what is DC, can capacitor reduce your light bill, the fact checking video, then I will request you to go to those videos and learn about this term, which is cos phi. Cos phi is the power factor. It is the measure of active power consumed by the circuit. Okay, so now if let's assume the cos phi is 0.9, okay, and if the circuit this is 4 on 5, it is actually VL, it is actually IL, this is actually cos phi, so root 3 would come here. So root 3 is nothing but 1.73. Okay, so by the multiplication of all these four terms, you can have the value of power. You can have the value of power. So this is the easiest way to understand the power and to calculate the power. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.